A customer messages your support team at midnight and gets total silence. No greeting, no wait time estimate, nothing. That silence is costing you customers every single day, and it's completely fixable with Zendesk messaging predefined responses. Support teams cannot be available around the clock, and that gap creates real damage. Customers who send a message and hear nothing back simply leave. Predefined responses bridge that gap by setting expectations, collecting contact details up front, and keeping the conversation alive until an agent is ready. Zendesk gives you 4 ways to automate responses, each suited to different needs and plan levels. Default responses work out of the box on every plan. AI agents and trigger-based messages add intelligence and flexibility. And structured messages with buttons bring richer interactions when you have developer resources. Everything lives in one place inside Admin Center. Head to Channels, select Messaging and Social, then Messaging, and you are in the right spot. From here, you control every automated response your customers will ever see. Step 1 is finding the right panel. Go to Admin Center, click Channels in the sidebar, then select Messaging and Social, followed by Messaging. Open your channel by name and scroll down until you see the Responses section. That is where all the configuration happens. Step 2 is applying a business hours schedule so Zendesk knows when your team is online versus offline. Under Business Hours, select any saved schedule or click Manage Schedules to build one from scratch. Keep in mind that schedules are only available on the Growth plan and above. Step 3 is writing the actual messages across 3 components. The first message is your greeting when someone opens the widget. The customer details form collects name, email, and any custom fields you need. And the follow-up message confirms their request landed and tells them what to expect next. Once you apply a schedule, the settings panel splits into 2 tabs, during business hours and outside business hours. Customize each tab separately with the right tone and expectations for that time window. Your overnight customers and your daytime customers deserve different messages. If you add an AI agent to your messaging channel, it completely replaces the default responses. The AI handles the greeting, searches your help center for answers, and presents them in natural conversational language rather than raw article links. When it cannot find an answer, it offers escalation to a human agent. For more advanced control, messaging triggers let you fire automated messages based on real-time conditions. Triggers activate when a customer starts a conversation, sends a message, joins the queue, or gets picked up by an agent. Unlike ticket triggers, these run while the chat is still live, before a ticket is ever created. Placeholders transform generic trigger messages into personal ones. Drop a customer name into a greeting to use their actual name. Use await does time, min, and await, time, max, to give a real wait estimate. SQ chit size shows how many customers are ahead of them, and RS account status reflects whether your team is online or away. Rule-based triggers are powerful, but they hit a wall fast. Each trigger handles one language, one scenario, one set of keywords. And complex support operations end up with dozens of triggers that conflict with each other. Eesel AI integrates directly with Zendesk and handles intent-based understanding across 80+ languages with a single setup, replacing that entire web of rules. Whether you start with basic greetings or build out full trigger logic, predefined responses are one of the highest return improvements you can make to your Zendesk setup. If you want to skip the rule maintenance entirely, try eesel AI free for 7 days and see what smarter automation looks like.